Okay, I need to show you something, because this genuinely caught me off guard. I have been using AI image tools for a while now, and the problem I keep running into is always the same. You generate something great, and then you have to jump to a different app to edit it, another app to resize it, another app to fix the text. It is a mess, and it kills your momentum. Lovart just fixed all of that in one place, and with Nano Banana 2 now running inside it, the results are honestly some of the best I have ever seen come out of any AI creative tool. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. Nano Banana 2 is a brand new model, and the best way I can describe it is pro quality at flash speed. It is built on Gemini 3.1 flash architecture, which means it generates fast, it is cost efficient, and the output quality actually matches, and in some cases beats, the previous Pro model for everyday creative work. We are talking 4K photorealism, stronger visual consistency across outputs, a wider range of style variety, and genuinely the best text and infographic rendering I have seen from any AI tool. Here's the important thing though. Nano Banana 2 is not designed to replace the Pro model for deep, complex work. What it is built for is everything you create on a daily basis, the content you are pushing out every single day, fast, at low cost, without sacrificing quality. This is your everyday driver, but the model alone is not what makes this special. It is where it lives. It lives inside Lovart, and that changes everything. Let's say you are creating a visual story, a micro-drama, a trailer, a branded series. Your biggest challenge is always keeping the character looking exactly the same across every single scene. NB2 inside Lovart actually solves that. Here is the full workflow, and it is 4 steps. Step 1. Create a new project. You open Lovart, hit New Project, and you are on a clean canvas ready to go. Step 2. Select a skill. Instead of starting from scratch, Lovart gives you pre-built skills optimized for specific creative tasks. I am selecting the narrative storyboard skill right from the menu when I start the project. It is listed right there, one click, and it loads automatically. Step 3. Adjust the prompt. The skill pre-fills a smart prompt structure for you, but I customize it with my own characters, setting, and mood. The skill framework carries all of that visual context consistently across every frame. Step 4. Choose the NB2 model. Before I generate, I select Nano Banana 2 from the model picker. This is the step that locks in the 4K quality and the visual consistency. Hit generate, and in seconds, full scenes, consistent character, same face, same lighting, same presence, across every single output. That is batch generation done right. This is where Lovart completely separates itself. You generated the image, but now something needs to change. Normally that means exporting, opening Photoshop, and losing 20 minutes. Not here. Touch Edit, I Control-click, or Command-click on Mac directly on the element I want to change. A selection highlight appears right on it. I type what I want, and it updates only that area without touching anything else in the image. That is the most intuitive AI editing I have used, full stop. Then, there is Text Edit, which I genuinely have not seen anywhere else. So I had this Aurora and Me Blooming Beauty collection poster, right? Beautiful layout, soft floral background, gold tones, everything perfectly styled. I just needed to fix 2 things. Change Aurora and CO to Aurora and Me, and update the badge to just say Limited Edition. Normally that means going into Photoshop, masking layers, matching fonts, a whole process. But here, I just clicked the text, typed the new words, and done. The font stayed the same, the styling stayed the same, the entire visual identity completely intact. And then edit elements. This one is underrated. I click directly on the image and it activates. The image separates into individual layers: foreground, subject, midground, background, each one its own editable object. This is dedicated design tool control sitting inside the same tool that generated the image. Last one, e-commerce. I start with one clean product photo, just the speaker, plain background. I upload it to Lovart and prompt it to generate the product across different environments and angles. NB2 keeps the shape, details, and proportions consistent every single time, whether the speaker is on a kitchen counter, out on a hike, or in a moody studio. A full product shot from one source image. And inside Lovart, you can run the same prompt through multiple models side by side: NB2, NB Pro, Midjourney, all on one canvas, no tab switching. You pick the best result and edit it right there. That workflow did not exist before this. When your visuals are this consistent and this polished, your content performs differently. More saves, more shares, more reach. It looks intentional. That is a real difference. And right now, there is a launch offer you should know about. Meet Nano Banana 2. Now live with a launch offer of up to 50% off. Link is in the description. Worth checking out just for the free trial alone. If you make content, design anything, or have ever been frustrated jumping between 15 apps just to finish one image, Lovart with Nano Banana 2 is worth 10 minutes of your time. Drop a comment. Tell me what you would use it for. Like if this helped, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.